Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to iSky production. Today in this video I want to show you my new my new vlogging camera setup. So I have my GoPro 12 and I purchased the media mode for my GoPro 12. I'm thinking this will be my to-go vlogging setup. So I'm not planning to use my M50 anymore with lens because it's too bulky, too heavy. It's not too heavy, but it's just a bit pain in the ass to carry all this camera. So I've decided to change that M50 to this GoPro 12 with media mode. I also purchased this additional tripod. It's pretty nice tripod, to be honest. I got the tripod which came from GoPro with, well, when I purchased the GoPro, it came in the box. So I got this tripod, but to be honest, I don't really like it. But I purchased this little tripod, which I love it, and it's much better because you literally it has the function, so you can make it like a mini tripod. So you can put it like that and just record yourself while talking, or if you want to do some vlogging. You also can extend it. So if you want to extend, if you want to shoot some time lapse, or you want to, I don't know, put on the chair, on the table, and just record something really useful. So it goes, I think it goes up half a meter. That's what I'm saying, half a meter. It's not that bad. It's just easy to use if you want to do some vlogs, and now with this you won't be able to do that. But with this, much more easier and quicker as well, and works pretty much the same as this. If you want to just hold in your hand and just record a video of yourself. So to do that, you just close this thing off until you see it clicks, and just hold like that and you record video or any vlog you make. So this will be my new vlogging camera setup. This media mode cost me around £80. I think it's a bit expensive for what it is, and I think just marketing and just they know that you won't be able to use any third party make GoPro 12, or if you will, that might cost you a bit more. So I've decided to just purchase the media mode, and if I'll need to attach any other mix like DJI Mic 2, which I'm recording now using my M50, I've tested if the DJI Mic 2 works with GoPro 12, and so far looks like it's working, so I can't complain about that. So this will be my new vlogging camera. I've opened another channel just for vlog, and I don't want to talk about vlogs on this channel. So if you're free and you want to check, feel free to check on this corner. If not, you'll be able to see on my channel. So thanks a lot for watching this short video about my new vlogging camera setup. I really appreciate that. If you have any questions, ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up as well, and again comment. And yeah, I think that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video, which I do try to make 2 videos a week. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe that button and you won't miss any of my videos. So I'll see you next video.